He was earning $1.5 million per month and getting poorer every year. Income makes you comfortable. Equity makes you free. David graduated top of his class, got hired by a multinational in Lagos. Fast promotions, big bonuses, company car. By 32, he was earning more than everyone in his family combined. He upgraded apartments, upgraded cars, upgraded lifestyle. Each year his salary increased, so did his expenses. He worked longer hours, more responsibility, more pressure, more meetings. Then something changed. The company restructured. New management, new strategy. His role was redundant. After 8 years of loyalty, he had 3 months of severance. No ownership, no dividends, no asset base, just savings. Meanwhile, his former classmate who earned less had taken a different patch. Instead of upgrading lifestyle, he bought equity. Small stakes in 2 businesses, shares in listed companies, one small warehouse rented to a distributor. Nothing flashy, but income kept coming, even when he slept. Let's break it down. David, monthly salary $1.5 million, annual income $18 million, ownership 0%. If he stops working, income 0 naira. His friend, salary $700k per month, investment $400k monthly into assets. After 7 years, equity portfolio generating 600k naira per month, rental income $350k per month, dividends $150k month, total passive income $1.1 million per month. If he stops working, income continues. One sold time, the other built ownership. A salary is a transaction, equity is a position. Employees trade time for money, owners build systems that produce money. There's something wrong with the job. But if your income depends entirely on permission from a company, you are exposed. Wealth is not how much you earn, it's how much you own. The salary made him feel powerful. Ownership made the other one independent. In business, freedom belongs to shareholders, not employees.